Hi everybody, this is Ali with Rio Mar Travel Organizers and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to share with you the reason why this boxy pouch is a must-have when you're packing your luggage for your next trip. But before I go on with the show, can I ask you, if you like what you see, can you hit the like button? It's like you're giving me a tip that you don't have to pay for. And subscribe to the channel. That way you can get notifications when I post the next video. Okay, now let me share this with you. So last week I went to Denver, Colorado to visit my daughter. And we stayed at a cabin in the top of the mountains. It was beautiful. But it was a small cabin and it had a small bathroom. Just one bathroom, and it was 3 women in there plus my husband. So having 3 women sharing a small bathroom can be a little bit challenging, especially if we all bring our toiletries and our things and we want to keep them in the bathroom, right? The sink was very small, and I didn't know any of this before I packed. But right when I was packing, I decided to use my boxy pouch, my personal one, the one that I used as a sample, to store my underwear. That way I could keep all my undies inside, put it in the luggage, and if I had to open the luggage for any reason, which by the way, I had to at the airport, I knew my underwear was not gonna be flying all over the floor, right? It was a lifesaver. So that was reason 1 why I decided to use this pouch, to keep my undies organized inside my luggage. As I was there at the cabin, I realized that I needed to bring my little pouch inside the bathroom with me. But there was no countertop space to keep my things. That's when I realized that this handle was a lifesaver for me. I was able to hang my pouch on the cabinet door, and I was able to hang it also on the towel. There was like a ring where you put the hand towels. I was able to hang it in there. So it was perfect because I had everything in there. I didn't have to use the countertop space. I was discreet. I could bring my things inside the bathroom. Nobody knew what I had inside, and I could just hang it from the door, and it was just right there. Perfect, right? So that's a second reason why this pouch was so handy. Now, third reason, it's waterproof, you guys. This pouch is waterproof inside and out. Now, thank God nothing fell inside my bag or outside or anything. But I went to a town that it was snowing. There was snow everywhere. So, and the snow was melting. Anything could have gotten wet and damaged easily. Not with these. This material is Canva. It is waterproof. It is like very, very strong material, but it's still, soft at the same time. I don't even know how to explain that, but it is. So it's waterproof. So if something falls on top of this bag, it's not gonna go on the inside. But it's waterproof on the inside too. The same material. It's for the lining. So anything that spills inside this pouch will not come out. And it's easy to clean. It's just wipe it and that's it. It's so easy to clean. And I will probably do another video on how to clean this, because my mom gave me a good tip the other day that I can probably share with you guys. But that's a video for another day. These are 3 reasons why this pouch was so convenient for me this last time. And if it was convenient for me, it will be convenient for you as well. Check it out. I have the link down below. If you want to get yours, I still have some in pink Not this style pink. This style pink is sold out. But the other two styles in pink and navy. Okay, you guys, that's it for now. I will see you in the next video. Ciao.